Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Learn Web Coding. My name is Durgesh Sahani. I'm here with a new video tutorials where we will be learning how to create image with centered aligned text in PHP. Okay, so let's start now, and I'm going to use all built-in functions to create this image in PHP. So first function I'm going to use is image create. It will create a blank image for us, and it requires two parameters. First one is width of the image and the second parameter is height of the image. It will return resource type variable, so I'm just going to save it into image variable. Now the second thing is you wanted to apply some background color to this image, so I'm just going to create bg color with the help of image color allocate method. It will again ask for few parameters. First one is the resource and then the values into RGB format. So first value is red, which is 0, green 0, blue 0. So it will create black color for us. And then I just wanted to use one function image png. So it will accept one parameter which is resource, and then it will create an image for us. If you go and refresh the web browser, you will be seeing that here is some random string is getting generated, and you can use header here actually, and you can say set the content type to image/png, and if you refresh the page again, here you will be seeing that the black color image got created here, as you can see. Now I wanted to write some text on this image. So for that there is a function image string. There are multiple way of doing or doing the same thing or creating a text on image, but one of the simplest way is image string. So here it accepts some parameters, which is image and then the font. So you can apply from 1 to 5 font size, then from X, so I'm just going to say like 250 from X side, 300 from Y side, and then the actual string. So I'm just going to create a text variable here, and I'll be creating it soon. And then the color, so I'll be creating one more variable, text color, the way we have created background color. So here our text will be, I'm just going to wish you guys a very happy new year. So happy new year 2022, and then the color, so txt color equal to, again I'm going to use the same function image color allocate with white color. So this time I'm going to pass red 255, green 255, and blue 255 again. So it will be creating a white text color for me. If I go again here and refresh the page, you can see the text got created, but it is not center line, obviously, because we have not calculated. I'm just passing the X and Y coordinate manually, and obviously you can change it to 5 and you will be seeing text little bit bigger. You can't create more than that. Like if I just wanted to apply 25, it won't be happening for me. Alright, so there is another method of PHP by which we can do the same thing, which method is image ttf text, and again it will ask some parameters, image, then the font size. So here I'm just going to say font size, which I'll be creating soon, then angle, which is 0, we don't want to rotate anything, x, pass the same value 250, 300, then the color we already have txt color, then we need a file name, font file name. So I'm just going to say font file, and then the actual text. Now see, we need to create one variable first, font size, and here I'm just going to say 25, then file, font file, and in my case I already have downloaded this Verdana font in TTF format. So I'm just going to copy it path, and I'll be pasting it here. Okay, so we have created both the variable and assign it here. Now if you just go and refresh your page again, you will be seeing that the font size got increased. Now again, it is not center aligned. So if you wanted to calculate that, there is again one function of PHP called image ttf b box, which is going to ask some parameters like size. So we already have font size variable, then the angle, which is 0, then the font file name, I'm going to say file name, and then the obviously actual text. And now it's gonna return you can say what it will do is this function will actually give the bounding box of the text using true type fonts. So if you go to the official site of PHP and look for this function, so here is the what parameter it will accept, and it will give you the bounding box of the text. And here if you go down, you can see here this function will return array of 8 elements representing 4 points, making the bounding box of the text on success, and on error it will return false. So we are going to get all these values, and let me show you how this value will look like. So you can create one variable here. You can say box equal to this, and if you just print it $box, let's exit out because we have in downside we have that like we have set up the content type, otherwise it won't print this value. So I'm just exiting out. Now if you refresh, you can see it has 0 to 7 index, which is 8 values, and the values are like this. You can see lower left corner of X, lower left corner of Y. So what we want is width and height of the text first, and you can simply do that with the help of txt width equal to, now if you say box of 4, which means box of 4 means, let's go here, it is upper right corner of X position, and similarly box of 0, which is lower, here you can see lower left corner of X position. Similarly we can do for Y, which is our txt height equal to box of 3 minus box of 1. So what is 3 and 1? If you go here, so 3 is lower right corner of Y position, and 1 is lower left corner of Y position. So with the help of this we will be getting the text width and height. Now if you get that, you can remove this thing. Now you have to actually calculate your X and Y for text, right? So here I can simply say X equal to, so you will be needing the actual width of your box, and we have to minus it this value. So box size is for us 800 minus, if you say $txt width, so, and if you divide it by 2, right, so you will be getting the center value of, you can place it into maybe here into the box or parenthesis like this. So you will be getting the center value for X, and similarly $y equal to, do the same thing, 600, because we have created height, as here you can see 800 by 600. So minus $txt height, and if you divide it by 2, so you will be getting the Y position. Now here I'm going to replace this with $x, and here $y. Let's see whether it is returning us or placing it to the correct position. As you can see, it is center aligned from the top, from the left, from the right, from the bottom. Okay, and even you will change this value, like let's say 30. You want to make it more bigger. You can see the text is getting increase, and also it is aligned properly. So this is a very simple example of creating a image with text and which is center aligned. Now again, if you want to make it more dynamic, you can use again one more function called, and here if you pass the image variable and similarly images y and same thing image variable. See, now it become little bit dynamic, so you don't need to manually write it. It will calculate the x and y from, or get the x and y from the image itself and do the same thing. So let's refresh the page again and see, no difference, right? So I hope you understand it, and wishing you guys a very happy new year and have a healthy one for you guys. I'll try to be more active on my YouTube channel again. Thanks again for watching, and again, happy new year.